This is Princess and she has made over 2.1k dollars. That's equivalent to 3 point something million naira or so, right? If you come down here to this sold out, now you see that when you come here, she says she has sold over 320 plus journals in just 3 weeks of pre-order. These journals cost 9,500 naira. So if one journal is sold for 9,500 naira, 320 journals is equivalent to how much? 3,040,000k, right? This is the example of what Princess is selling, a journal, right? Now in this video, I'm going to show you how to create your own journals, right, and sell it like the way Princess does, right? But you have to understand something now. It really takes strategy, right, to pull up what Princess has done, because you can see Princess has over 70k followers, but that shouldn't scare you, right? Making money online doesn't necessarily need you having a lot of followers before you make money online. There are people that have millions of followers and they don't make a lot of money. There are people that have a lot of followers and they don't even make any money at all. So how do you create a journal like Princess own and start to think of how we're going to now market it and sell it, right? We are going to use this AI platform called DeepSeek, right? You know what DeepSeek is. If you don't know, it's a AI platform. Go to your browser and type DeepSeek. So what you then do is just to come down here to this sign up. Just tap on sign up. So all you do here next is just put your email address, put your password, a strong password, and then just tap on send code. It's going to send your code to your number, because you're also going to put your number or your email address, right? So this is my account. What I want you to do next is to come here and then type this prompt. I want to create a product for business owners, right? Write and structure for me a complete business planner so that I can create it as my product. Make it easy to understand and straightforward to use, right? Now we're not going to press enter. While we're waiting for you to do that, if you're here for the first time, my name is Victor and I make videos around entrepreneurship, business, and mindset shift, right, for wealth, right? So if that is what you're interested in, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with 5 friends if you got value from it, or just keep on watching till you get value from it, then share it with 5 friends, right? 5 of your best friends. So now this is what it gave us. Let us see. All right, quick start guide, 1 to 2 page. Okay, how to use this planner. Okay, 3-step overview. Let's see this. Wow, this is so short. And let us make it a bit more complex. So what we're going to do next is to, so we say this is too short, right? This is too short. Make it like 5 pages, and please expand the thing to do, right? This one, take it out. So you can see it has already finished giving us everything. Now you can see this is way more comprehensive. You can see it here. It's way more comprehensive. I think I like this one. Business name, okay, yeah, tagline, slogan. All right, this is a bit comprehensive. Age, job, interest. All right, wow, this is a bit comprehensive. This is something worth paying for. At least this is something worth paying for. Now, okay, 2 months launch phase, key tasks. So that is the key things to do, right? You can see it has already extended and it has made this very, very like broken down. This is nice, much more better than what we had before, because what we had before, like, who is going to buy that? And we can also still tell this AI to still expand it also, right? You can still tell it to expand it also. So let's just try it and see. Expand this again. Let's see how it goes. Okay, so we told you to expand it. Let us see. Wow, this is way more. This is something where this is what people can actually pay for right now, like, because you know, when you make it too easy like that, too simple, like, people will be like, what is this that I'm paying for? Like, you understand? So this at least has made more. Okay, wow, this is Monday post on IG story, like, wow, it's giving you done. Have you done that? That is, if you post, have you done that? Check. Wow. Okay, now this is something that people can pay for. Very broken down. So now if you're still not satisfied, you can still tell it to break it down, like, keep on breaking down until you're satisfied, right? Because I felt that one was too short. That first one we did was too short, so that's why I made it to this point. But we don't have time. Let's just, so what you should do next is just to copy this, because if I tell DeepSeek to turn this into PDF, it can't, right? It won't turn it into PDF, right? So you copy it and take it to this website called Google Docs. So you come to this platform called Google Docs, this website, docs.google.com, right? Google Docs is you can just check it on Chrome, right? It's going to bring you here. So we're now going to create a blank document, and this is where we're going to post the planner that we have created, right? So you can just post it here, paste it here, right? So now you can see everything has been created here, everything has been posted here. You can see how everything is well structured, everything, and we are ready to go to continue. Now you see you have used AI to like get your planner, right? So the next you're going to do is to like edit it well, like put branding, like make it nice for people to actually like pay, and they will be happy, so that they can actually pay you for another product, right, when you come out to sell it to them again. You understand? So now the next thing we're going to do now is to go to a platform called canva.com, right? So now you're here in Canva, just come to like your browser and type Canva, or go to your Play Store and download the application, right? So you now come here, and then what you're going to do is now to type planner. Now you're just going to come and type journal planner, right? Just type journal planner and then just type on. Let's go, let's see what it has for us. Beautiful. So you can see a lot of journals here that you can now use. You can see a lot of journals here. Let me not waste time. Let me just pick anyone. Let's just go for this one, and you can just pick whatever your heart desires, right? You can just pick from your brand color, or so. If you don't have a brand color, there's no problem. Just pick anything. Don't overthink this thing. This is not the main thing. Like, just do, right? So now what you're going to do next is to come here to this custom pages and just customize page rather. Good. So now here is where you're now going to start editing this thing, like editing it to like the best taste, like how you understand how everything is supposed to go. So how you can do it, you can just, let's say you want to change the color, you can just tap on this to change the color. Let's say this, my best color is green, right? And like green for growth, that's my brand color also. So I can just tap on this as green, right? And then just change everything to like green, change all, right? And you can see everything has been changed to like the whole color and stuff like that. So the next thing you can do is to now edit it the way you want it to be, right? So that like when people buy it, they are now going to like say, okay, wow, this is a nice piece and it's worth my money, right? But this is not the main thing to do. So you just edit it. How do you start editing? You just have to come back to, let's say you go back to the PDF, right? PDF that you have copied, right? So you now come down here, you now see that here it says page 1 business foundation blueprint and stuff. So you can just copy it like this, the business foundation blueprint. You can copy it. Please just take your time and do this well, because this is your product, right? This is a product that people are going to buy, so you have to like invest time. And the beautiful thing about this is when you just invest this time, like you don't have to do it again when you do it once, right? So I don't know, for some reason my system is kind of hooking. I guess it's because of the recording and a lot of things that I have going on my system. Please bear with me for all this hooking that it's doing. It's really frustrating me right now. So you can come here to the second page. You see this, like you can just reduce the size, right? Reduce the size and then just paste that, right? So you can now extend this page 1, right? So let's remove this page 1 to just business blueprints, right? Business foundation blueprints. You can remove this about us, like it's not necessary, all of this. However you want to do it, like just do it the way you want, like just it's your product, right? So just copy it the way you would do everything. So you now go back to the PDF, because you've already gotten the whole thing. So now business identity, who are you? Just copy this, right? You can copy it, you can copy this like this, copy it and take it back. Spend time to do this thing well, right? Because people only buy things that people appreciate you when you do things well. Like they'll buy from you and come back and buy again. But if you do it anyhow, people are literally going to like insult you, and they are literally going to be very angry, and like they are going, you understand, you get the point. Like if you buy something that is not good, you to know how painful that thing can be, right? So, or we can now let's paste it on this about us. Sorry about this, my system is really slow and is really affecting this class, but you get the point. So this is what you do, right? So you can see here. So you now go back again to this, and then copy the business name, right? Copy the whole business name, everything the way it is, copy it, take it back. Or let's use this, let's delete that, let's use this one down here. Guys, I'm so sorry, I don't know, the system is really hooking. I guess it's just because of the recording that I'm doing. So you can just paste it here. You get the whole point, right? You get the whole point. Like, edit this thing, spend time, right? You can finish this thing in let's say in 2 hours, 3 hours, right? Copy everything the way it is, make sure you arrange it properly, right? Then when you're done doing everything, like let's say the pages are not enough, right? I don't know how many pages are this, but let's say the pages are not enough. Okay, these are 12 pages. You can just come down, right? You can just come down here to add page. So you can add page. You can also do this on your mobile phone, right? You can do this on your mobile phone. So you can just do everything. If you want to like edit or add text, right? You can come here to this text. It's very straightforward. Like Canva is very straightforward to edit. You can just add this heading, if it's heading, if it's subheading, right? You understand? So you can just add. You can now go to elements to add whatsoever picture you want, right? So whatsoever picture you want, like whatsoever illustration you want, you can just use this element here to like get whatsoever you want, right? So now when you're done, you come down here to this share, right? And then just come down to download, tap on download, and then you come up here to this file type, and then you're now going to, and then come to this PDF standard, right? Just tap on PDF standard, because it's a PDF file you have finished down like editing and stuff. So that's what you want to download, not picture, right? Make sure you do that. Make sure all the pages are selected. All the pages, you can see 1 to 13. Just tap to just make sure that all the pages are selected, right? Then you're now going to come here to download, and it's automatically going to download on your mobile phone or on your system. Then you're now going to upload it on Seller, right? Now, for some reason, seller.co, I don't know, it's having service temporarily unavailable. Even though I'll have shown you how to like upload your product, you can see it here, it's already showing. So I'll have shown you how to like upload your product, but I have already made a video, like the last video I made, right? The link is going to be under the description of this video, right? You can watch it. You will know how to like upload your digital products, right, on seller.co and get your link, right? Now, it is one thing for you to have a product, it's another thing for you to market the product, right? Because it's not just by creating product, like it's about marketing the product after creating it. Like, creating product is the first step, marketing the product is the second step, right? So how do you market this product? I am presently writing a book called Don't Learn the Hard Way, right? And I've already started creating content to actually market this book, right? How do you market a product, right? You need to have a plan. So if you want to know how to market this particular product we just created now, watch this video, right? Just watch this video. The link is going to be under the description of this video, right? So click on that and you're going to learn ways to market your digital product on the internet.